Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to make a money receipt using ChatGPT or Gemini AI. Let's get started. Firstly, go to the google.com and type the money receipt and click the image. Choose a money receipt and take a screenshot. Now go to the Google Flow, click the New Project and click the Tools and select the Whisk and upload the screenshot, add the image and now click the Edit or View Description. Now here my image prompt will be generated automatically. Now copy the prompt, paste the Gemini and ChatGPT. Just wait some time. Now download this image. Now go to the Canva, upload this image, drag the image here and use in a new design, custom, crop the image and click done. Now click the edit and click the magic layer. Now check the my money receipt is editable. Now you can edit text, shape, color, etc. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.